Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to quickly calculate the average in Excel. For this example, I want to calculate average score of 4 tests each student has. Firstly, click on the cell where you want the result. Type equals average. Then select your range. Press enter, and Excel will calculate the average for you. If you don't want to manually write average formula in every row, you can use fill handle. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to other cells. And that's it! Now you know how to calculate averages in Excel using both the average function and the fill handle to save time. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips.